Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to remove the background from any image using a free AI tool. No Photoshop, no design skills needed. First, go to remove.bg. I've added the link in the description. Click the Upload button and choose any image from your computer. In just a few seconds, the AI will detect the subject and remove the background automatically. You can now download your image as a high-quality PNG with a transparent background. This is perfect for product mockups, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, or even for your design projects in After Effects or Photoshop. You can also use the Edit tool to change the background, blur it, or add a new image behind. That's it. Super simple and totally free. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next tutorial.